This is what you call troll stomp spaz pack style.
I heard of this game. Ready, set, go. There it goes. He's got ants in his pants.
Smack the troll.
Like looks like a good workout. Look at him go. Is that James Brown or Jason Kazuda? Krishna, what are you doing on the living room floor in front of the TV? Krishna, what kind of game are you playing here? Oh, Stomp a troll. Stomp a spaz. Oh, that was classic.
Spaz pack style, 2011.
That was a good minute and a half workout for you. You were hustling.
See, I'm done.